am super, super excited. After about 6 months of not having chickens for the first time in 14, 15 years, I was going to wait until the end of winter to go and get chickens, but I found some and I'm about to go and pick them up. I'm limiting myself to 3 because we know they're girls, and then that also gives me the opportunity to possibly get 2 or 3 more day olds once we get closer to summer and we've got a bit more energy. I'm also really, really happy because I'm just driving out in the country, and as much as I'm a salty girl and I love being near the beach and salt water, part of me also gets pulled by the country, and I haven't been out here for a long time. So I can't wait to cuddle my own chickens again. And I'm surprising the girls. They're out sailing. They've got no idea. I've told Mark that he can't spoil the surprise. So it should be super fun because Libby's been asking since her birthday for chickens. She wanted them for a birthday present, but I couldn't get any. So here we go. New babies. It's going to feel like a farm again. Thank goodness. I got 3 chickens in the back. I can't wait to surprise the girls.
More toilet paper. Chickens?
What makes you think chicken?
I hear them.
Oh
my god! Chickens! Hello. How many?
How many do you think?
3.
Why would there be 3?
4. 4.
Why would there be 4?
5. We can't introduce.
Lara, can you get down?
You can't introduce 1. Maybe I'm guessing either 2 or 4.
Why 2 or 4?
Maybe 6. I just feel 2 or 4. Maybe so you can't introduce 1. Because then when you introduce the other.
How many girls are in the house?
3.
Do you think I got us a chicken each? Daddy didn't want a chicken.
We got a chicken!
Daddy's not a crazy chicken lady.
I'm actually gonna hold the chicken this because I'm wearing long sleeves.
Okay. They're not day-old chickens though. They're
How old
like
are
16 weeks, so they're
They're small.
still small, but they're not tiny.
What breed?
There's like an Australo croc.
Hello, Bobby. Dad, can you turn the light? Oh my god, jeez. Hello, baby.
You want one?
I want one.
You don't
I want
want
to
to
pick it up myself.
Okay.
Okay, Papa. It's okay. Wait, so you just picked, I've never picked up a chicken before. How do you do it?
So if you pick it up from down there, you go over the top of the wings.
Yours.
So you
Is
hold,
this one okay?
you hold over the top of the wings. Yeah. And then when you've got them, you put your
Mama,
hand.
can you check if this?
Yeah, you put your hand in between their legs, and then a hand over the wing.
So in between both of the legs, like on the crutch.
Yeah, but then
Do you want
this
to
one
see
your
up
feet
there?
are a bit
Do you
moving,
want
so
to
you're
see
totally just best to do that.
You want to see your new home?
Yeah. Hold close to your body.
I'm scared.
Don't squeeze off. Just hold it. You got
Yeah,
it.
let's get home. Your new home. Hello. I've never done this before. Home.
You have when you were little. Alright, and is this the one down here with the yellow eyes? I think you guys
Can I have the yellow eyed one?
You want the yellow eyed one? Not clean feet.
I see, I want this one too.
It started storming on the drive home, and I think it might be Priscilla and Mimi's way of saying hi to us. Because there was a storm the night we lost them, and there hasn't really been a storm since, has there?
So this is black hole. In case everybody wants to know. This is a black hole.
Oh my gosh. So we've got Astro.
Black hole.
I don't think you should call your chicken.
I want to call my chicken black hole. Why can't I?
And this is Manon.
It's what?
Manon. Sarah Jane Mass breeding fed. See Manon? Yeah. You are a pretty girl. And you girls are ready for bed, aren't you?
Okay, that's
it's winter, so it's cold. By putting some mulch on the ground, just making the girls' bedding area a bit warmer. Okay. The nesting boxes. Sounds like the garbage truck's here first thing Monday morning. Again, I'm putting another nice thick layer of sugarcane mulch into the girls' bedding zone because it's winter and it's cold here in Australia. Put the nesting pouches in. Okay.
We got new chickens.
Okay, we're going to put our 3 new girls. They're Banter Blacks, which is a cross between an Australorp and a Rhode Island Red, but they're now a pure breed because they've been bred like that for so long. They look a lot like the Australorp, which I was wanting, but they're not available at the moment. It's really hard to get chickens at the moment, so we're quite lucky to have these girls. They're about 16 weeks old, and we've done that mostly because I don't have the energy for day-old chickens at the moment. It's the middle of winter, so I'm wanting to hibernate. And also because we should then be able to get eggs in about 2 weeks' time. Did you girls want to add anything?
No. Oh,
No?
you want to? Let's all say that our chickens' names.
Oh.
Okay. Go in order.
No, you go first.
I'll go first. My chicken's name is Patricia.
Mine's Astra.
Astra, because you love everything involved with space.
Yeah, I guess
Yeah.
so.
It's a little bit cold, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's probably about 10 degrees.
I can see my breath.
Don't know exactly. So we were going to introduce our chickens. Did you want to get them out?
Yes. Patricia.
Astra. Daddy.
There's
There you are. Come here, everyone. Comfy? Yeah. Come on.
Patricia.
This
Hey,
is
Patricia.
Astra. Come here, girlie.
Come here. Hey, girl.
Say hi. Come on. Say hi.
Don't step on her. Don't. No. Can you help
Can you grab Manon?
Your
Yeah.
nails keep getting stuck on my jaw.
Can you grab Mana? Mana? Actually, no. Can you get
Astra.
yeah, whatever.
Beautiful.
That's Mana.
Isn't
Yeah.
she?
You're going to grab Astra?
Pretty cool, right? Patricia, isn't it, girl?
Good girl.
Calm.
So this, everyone, is Patricia.
And how are you two going to tell yours apart?
Well, mine has a bit of black on her cuff.
Yeah, I immediately knew that that was Astra, and that this was Patricia, and then that was Manon.
I love that. And Manon has
Now,
got,
girlie.
in true form, if anyone's reading those books, she's got a golden eye. So she's a bit easier to tell. She's probably got more of the eyes of brown in her.
Hey, stop it.
And it's good that she's mine because she doesn't like being handled as much. Alright. Do you guys want to put yours in first?
Yeah. Come on.
Welcome to your new home, girls.
This is going to be your new home, girlies.
Here you go, Baba.
Okay. In you go, Patricia. There you go. Right, stay in the gullies. So we got this new enclosure for them. And I'll take you on a little tour of the enclosure.
Of the chicken coop
Of the coop.
and their run.
And their run. Okay. Right now. Okay. Okay. So here's the run. No, this is the coop. So down here we have all of our gullies.
They're taking you girls out too.
And you can see the gorgeous teal feathers. Yeah, they can go up that little ladder and up, and that brings them into here. The laying area. So they lay in there.
And the coop for sleeping.
And then this is where they sleep. Yep. Oh, but this door's kind of hard to close. Can you do it, Liz? Okay. And this is where we pick up the eggs from. It's locked. Right. You could see this kind of when we were... Mama, can you help me close that? It always gets jammed. All right. And then... Hey, girlies. Slay, girlies. Mama, is there water in their water thing?
No, I thought you guys might like to do that and show how that setup is.
Yeah. Okay, and then this is their run. As we can see, who's that?
That's Manon. That's
No.
that's
As we can see, Astra's exploring kind of, and oh hey Patricia, couldn't see which one you were. Hey Patricia, okay, and then the run comes along here, and they get access to the veggies.
Gonna put some water.
So they eat the veggies, and Mom, this needs fixing.
What needs fixing?
This.
The lemongrass.
Is it not meant to be like that, or is it meant to be like that? Oh, okay.
It's thriving, so I've been harvesting it a bit.
Oh,
But
okay.
I probably will chop it back down if the girls need some more sunshine to help them have eggs.
Okay. So then that's a little, kind of like a cool tunnel.
Need to get some more rocks and bricks to protect the roots of the citrus from them.
All right, and then we keep on coming along the run. Dad built this. He didn't build the coop, but he built the run, and he put the coop, and he put the coop together. So then they can have a gorgeous garden lunch with the succulents.
Is it
All right, we're
on
fixed.
a follow mode or something?
No.
Just turn off on?
Nope, it's just I really suck at driving it.
It takes a bit of practice. Alright. Libby? Oh, I can turn it. No! I'm sorry. Because I don't have the nozzle on either, so it'll probably stick back in here. So this is our water system, isn't it?
Yeah. So we pump the water into that, just out of the hose, like Mum's doing there, and then
It's just a camping bottle.
yep, and then it comes out these little drips down here. I don't know if you can see them, and there's little nipples, and focus please.
We will probably have to teach the girls how to use those because they didn't have them at their old home, I don't think.
Sorry.
good girl. Good girl.
Oh, hello. Is that Patricia? Good girl, Patricia. I don't know if you can see through the fencing, but Patricia is on the ladder. Good girl, Patricia. Yeah.
So I think
Good girlie.
they've been quite used to being in like a cage setup like that. So that might be why they're not really exploring the run just yet.
Patricia stuck her head out.
But that gives me time to put some things around to protect the citrus. That's good.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, so Mum has to put around rocks to
Well, it's only
protect
free range or, you know? Do you want to give them some worms?
the citrus fruit.
Yeah.
Live worms or the like dried worms? Oh, let's go for the live worms. All right. Oh, the juicy goodness of wormies for chickens. And yeah, we have a lot, so we just pick them up by the hands, and then we just feed them to them. Yeah, however you want to say it. And yeah, the chickens just absolutely love them, or at least our old ones did.
It's a really good source of protein for them.
We also have some dried worms, which are like...
they're mealybugs.
Oh, we have some dried mealybugs. And look, you can see how they like climb through this towel here, and you have to like pull them out.
Alright, let's go give them these.
Alright, see, Mum's got a handful. Mum, show us your handful.
I managed to grab one.
Yeah.
Oh, Mum, you do it weird.
Livy got one.
Right here. Do we want to give the girls these to here? The girls. You come out and use one as well. Look, I got some worms for you. You're thinking about it.
I don't know how well you can hear them, but they sound really cute.
It was Patricia.
I think they're a little bit timid. Let's put those wormies there for them. Let's step back a bit and they might come back again.
Here you go. Do you want a worm?
So, yeah, Patricia, Astra, and Manon. Also, why did you choose to name your chicken Manon?
Because Manon's a fun character in the book series that I'm reading at the moment, and she's a very powerful witch, and she breaks the cycle of people's behaviours and changes things. And she also has a golden eye, and my chicken has a golden eye.
Oh, that's sick. Okay, and Livy, why did you choose to name your chicken Astra?
Oh, because she's kind of like an astronaut. And I thought it would fit her. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside now. My hands like freezing, and I feel like I'm about to.
Okay.
It's really cold in our noses, isn't it? Okay. And now it's time to go to school. Hey, girls. Liking now it's quiet? Well, that construction noise is finished. It's so nice to have chickens in the garden again. I didn't realise how much I missed them.